Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Behind me we have the Alumacraft 165 CS. You'll see you have a nice Shorelander single axle trailer. You have a Minn Kota trolling motor, 55-pound thrust. You're gonna have 3 seats in the interior. The pedestals can be moved around to actually different locations. There's 2 other locations right now that you can insert the chairs into. You have rod lockers. The carpet's in great condition. The vinyl is in really good condition. No rips or tears. You have a 4-stroke Mercury 60 horsepower engine on the back to power this 16-foot vessel, which is plenty of power. When you move to the helm, you're gonna see you have traditional gauges. You have a Humminbird fish finder. You have some toggle switches, and then you have your throttle there to the right of the captain's chair. All laid out really nicely, in good condition, just needs a vacuum. But I wanted to show you guys this. It's gonna go quick, so if you have any questions or if you want to stop by and view this boat, come to our MarineMax Rogers location where this boat is located. Thank you, have a great day.